all over the country we get almost 50 lakh RTIs actually. Approximately 50 lakh RTIs we get. And the disposal within, because the time is given as per the act is 30 days. So it gives, this act helps in giving the transparency, accountability and good governance. So this it is important, and 97% of the whatever RTIs we get is being disposed of within 30 days, and the remaining 3%, 2 to 3%, it comes for the first appellate authority order. Initial public information, then the first appellate, and now the second appeal. Second appeal comes with the our information commissions. So for the state it will come to Mr. Nair, for the central it will come to us. Then, because what happens in Government of India, we get almost 20,000 cases in a year for the disposal, and as on today we are able to dispose of 100%. Whatever comes to us we dispose of. You see, what I have seen in last for almost 4.5 years I have done now in the Information Commission. We feel that there are many RTI activists are there are many other fellows who are just putting the petty applications, and there are many fellows who put even 1,000 applications. In a year they put 1,000 applications. But in spite of that, I say such type of fellows are there, 20 to 30% are there who are misusing this act, or who are finding a job out of it, or they may be exploiting the officers or the system. But I can say 70 to 75% there are genuine applicants are there.